While talking of numbers for L&T in Q1 of FY22, they were amiss on majorly all the parameters to what our street expectation was. This time the revenue growth was recorded at 38% on a YoY basis, with numbers at 29,334 crores, while the EBITDA was below our expectation with numbers at 3,171 crores. But the margins were almost in line with the numbers at 10.8% this time. What disappointed the most was the profit, where we were expecting to be at 1,730 crores, but the company actually recorded a profit of 1,174.4 crores this time. Now coming to the other highlights, so the company informed that the order inflow registered a growth of 13%, and also the company bagged orders of 26,557 crores during the quarter. As per this, their consolidated order book for the group stands at 3,23,721 crores with an international orders of 20% of the total order book. Now coming to their different divisions of L&T. So the infrastructure segment, the margins were quite improved this time for this segment particularly, with this segment recorded an EBITDA margin of 6.3% last year, but this time the margins were recorded at 7.1%. The company secured orders of 11,023 crores during the quarter in this particular segment, and the revenue growth was at 63% on a YoY basis. The revenue in their power segment was at 759 crores and the order inflow was at 911 crores. While they're talking about their hydrocarbon segment, then the customer revenue was seen at 4,190 crores versus the secured orders of around 1,002 crores during the quarter. The IT and technology service segment, they have recorded a industry-leading quarter-on-quarter growth of 7%. But now talking about their financial services segment, then the income from operation registered a YoY decline of 7%, which was due to the decline in their loan book. The company informed that the loan book decline is reflecting a cautious lending approach going ahead, and that's significantly lower from what our expectation was, but the operating margin and the NIM's percentage was higher on a YoY basis. Now coming to the revenue from the other segments, then the customer revenue was, the growth here was seen at 86% on a YoY basis with numbers at 1,329 crores, while the EBITDA margin showed an improvement from 6.7% recorded last year to 15.2% this time around. Now going forward, the company is of the view that they are witnessing a signs of pickup in the economic activity that's visible for them, and also the external demand is strengthening. As per that, a rebound in the global trade is expected. This will provide support to the country's export as well. The company's focus going forward continues to be on the efficient execution of their large order book, working capital reduction, the cost optimization through the use of digital technologies aimed at operational efficiencies and driving an agile balance sheet. So that was L&T for you in Q1 FY22.